This video is going to show you 2 ways of removing your profile picture on TikTok. If you've added a picture that doesn't look good on the profile or you simply have a better one, then hop over to your TikTok profile page on iPhone or your Android phone. It doesn't really matter which one is it because the steps are the same for both. Let's open the profile editor by clicking this Edit option at the right side, then Change Photo. You'll see the option to take a photo, upload a photo from your gallery, or you can view the photo. Since they don't give us an option to change our photo, then let's tap on Take a Photo, put your device on a table, and then take a photo of the black space. This will remove your current picture and it's going to replace it with this black photo. But I have an even better solution for you, and that is to exit the TikTok app, open your web browser, and then type Default Profile Picture in the search bar. The next step is to download the image that suits you. I'll select this photo and download it to my photo gallery. The last step is to upload the photo as your profile picture, and it's going to look like you don't have a profile picture yet, and your previous one was removed. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.